Hi, my name is Tiger, and I'm the principal bassoonist of the Sydney Youth Orchestra. April promises to be another very exciting month in the SYO calendar. I, along with other senior members of the SYO, am travelling down to Four Winds, Bermagui to run workshops with local musicians and to perform at Four Winds Soundshell in Barragga Bay on the 7th and 8th of April. This is the first visit to our new Southeast Hub, an exciting 3-year partnership with the Four Winds Festival. Then, on the 22nd of April is our first major concert for the year, featuring Mahler's Symphony No. 10 and Stravinsky's Firebird Suite, conducted by Alexander Brieger AO at overlooking. We've also launched our Winter Intensive, a week-long intensive music camp in Tamworth, where musicians will have the opportunity to work with some of Australia's best conductors. So please stay tuned for a special announcement revealing these guest conductors. Finally, tickets for our annual fundraiser, live at level 28, go on sale this week. For one night only, SYO will take over level 28 of the Deutsche Bank Building and create an exciting mini festival under the artistic direction of Umberto Clerici, the principal cellist of the Sydney Symphony Orchestra. All proceeds will go directly towards the SYO's Opportunity Fund. We hope you've had a very happy Easter and hope to see you at one of our concerts soon.